From Seed to Salad, a comprehensive guide to growing lettuce. Lettuce is a versatile and nutritious leafy green vegetable that is a staple in salads and sandwiches. Growing lettuce at home allows you to enjoy fresh and flavorful leaves, and it's a rewarding experience. In this article, we will provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to successfully grow lettuce in your own garden or containers. Choosing the right lettuce variety. There are several lettuce varieties to choose from, including loose leaf, butterhead, romaine, and crisp head. Consider your preference for taste, texture, and growth characteristics. Additionally, take into account the climate and growing season in your region, as certain varieties thrive better in specific conditions. Selecting a growing location. Lettuce thrives in cool weather, so choose a location that receives partial shade or dappled sunlight. If you live in a warmer climate, consider providing afternoon shade to protect the lettuce from scorching sun rays. Ensure the soil is well-draining, rich in organic matter, and slightly acidic. Starting from seeds. Lettuce can be grown from seeds directly sown in the soil or started indoors as transplants. If starting from seeds, prepare the soil by loosening it with a garden fork or tiller. Create shallow furrows and sow the seeds according to the recommended spacing on the seed packet. Cover the seeds lightly with soil and gently pat it down. Transplanting seedlings. If you prefer to start lettuce indoors, sow the seeds in seedling trays or small containers filled with seed starting mix. Keep the soil consistently moist and provide sufficient light. Once the seedlings have developed a few sets of true leaves, they can be transplanted outdoors. Harden off the seedlings by gradually exposing them to outdoor conditions over a week before transplanting. Proper watering. Lettuce requires consistent moisture to prevent the leaves from becoming bitter or developing a tough texture. Water the plants regularly, aiming for about 1 inch of water per week. Avoid overhead watering, as it can promote the spread of diseases. Instead, use a soaker hose or water at the base of the plants to keep the foliage dry. Fertilizing and mulching. Prior to planting, amend the soil with compost or well-rotted manure to provide the lettuce with essential nutrients. Additionally, side dress the plants with a balanced organic fertilizer once they reach the size of a tennis ball. Mulching around the plants helps to retain soil moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Controlling pests and diseases. Lettuce can be susceptible to pests like aphids, slugs, and snails. Monitor your plants regularly and take appropriate measures, such as using organic insecticidal soap or hand-picking pests. Proper spacing between plants and good air circulation can help prevent diseases like mildew and rot. Remove any infected leaves promptly to avoid the spread of disease. Harvesting lettuce. Lettuce leaves can be harvested at different stages, depending on your preference. For baby lettuce, harvest the outer leaves when they are 2 to 3 inches long. For mature heads, wait until they reach full size and gently cut the plant at the base. Harvest in the morning when the leaves are crisp and cool, and consume them as soon as possible for maximum freshness. Growing lettuce at home is a rewarding and straightforward process. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest of fresh and delicious lettuce. Experiment with different varieties, and have fun incorporating your homegrown lettuce into salads, sandwiches, and other culinary creations. Happy gardening and bon appetit!